Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. I'm going to start today by giving some shout outs. First off, my first period class, I want to give a shout out to Jacob and Carlos. They did a great job coming on the Google Meet, getting all their work done, getting all the IXL done. Great job, guys. From period 4, shout out for Malik and Jessica. They got to 100 on IXL. They challenged themselves. Good job, guys. And then from my 5th period, Albin and Gregory, thank you so much for helping on the Google Meet. You did a great job helping your classmates. Okay, so today we're learning about the number line, both the negatives and the positives. Okay, so we are going to look here at the number line. We have 0 as our starting point. To the right of 0 are all the positive numbers. To the left of 0 are all the negative numbers. We are going to place these numbers on our number line. We're going to start with letter A, -1. So since it's a negative number, we know it's going to be to the left of 0. And here we see -1. So we're going to mark that with letter A. We're going to move on to letter B, -2.5. So again, it's a negative number. We know it's going to come to the left of 0. And we know it'll be around -2. But because it's -2.5, we know it's a little bit further away from 0. So it's 2 away from 0. Then another 0.5 away from 0. So it's going to be between -2 and -3. We're going to put that B there. And then lastly, letter C, 3. So 3 is positive. So this time we're going to go to the right of 0, 3 spaces. Letter C at 3. Okay, so next, we're going to find the opposite of all of the numbers here. So let's start with -1. The opposite of -1 is going to be +1. So we know -1 is 1 to the left of 0. So the opposite would be 1 to the right, +1. We're going to do the same thing for -2.5. We know that -2.5 is 2.5 to the left of 0. This time we're going to go we're going to go 2.5 to the right of 0. So it's going to be +2.5. Easy enough, right? And now 3. So this time it's positive. The opposite of +3 is going to be -3. And we know that's true because 3 is 3 to the right of 0. So the opposite would be 3 to the left, and that would give us -3. And so our last question is, what is the opposite of 0? This is a tricky one because 0 is our starting point. We're not going to the left or the right. So the opposite of 0 is just going to be 0. That's an important one to remember. Okay, so we are finishing up, and now you're going to go onto the daily agenda on Google Classroom, and you're going to look for the quiz that I posted and take that and try to get 8 points out of 10 or greater. Thank you, everyone. Bye.